Okay guys, so first and foremost, what is a PRO? A PRO stands for Performance Rights Organization. And basically, and I'm going to read this here because it's just such a beautiful description. A PRO, Performing Rights Organization, is a group that collects royalties on behalf of songwriters, composers, and publishers. They ensure that creators are paid fairly for their use of music. So how is this a little different? I just want to make this note here because sometimes people think, oh, a PRO, that's like my TuneCore, my DistroKid, some other places that do distribution. So really quick to kind of put where each one is. The distribution companies will take that song and they will release it out to iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, all of those places there. And they will do some collection.